Engine hesitation is a delay or stutter when you accelerate. It indicates a problem in the engine's fuel, ignition, or air intake systems, preventing smooth power delivery. Addressing this issue promptly improves performance, fuel efficiency, and overall driving safety. Several factors can cause engine hesitation during acceleration. The most common causes include fuel delivery issues, ignition problems, airflow disruptions, and throttle position sensor misalignment. Fuel delivery issues often stem from clogged injectors, which reduce fuel spray efficiency, or a weak fuel pump that can't maintain proper pressure. Ignition problems occur when spark plugs wear out, creating weak sparks, or when ignition coils fail, leading to misfires during acceleration. Airflow disruptions happen with a dirty mass airflow sensor that gives inaccurate readings, or vacuum leaks that unbalance the air-fuel mixture. Finally, throttle position sensor misalignment causes the ECU to receive incorrect throttle data, resulting in hesitation when accelerating. Begin by scanning your car's computer for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. Common codes related to hesitation include P03000 for random misfire or P0101 for MAF sensor issue. Next, visually inspect the spark plugs, wires, air filter, and check fuel pressure. Testing key components involves using specific tools to diagnose engine hesitation issues. A vacuum gauge helps identify air leaks that can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, while a fuel pressure tester verifies that fuel supply meets the typical range of 49 to 58 psi. These tests pinpoint faulty parts such as injectors, sensors, or the fuel pump that may need cleaning or replacement. For clogged components like fuel injectors or a dirty throttle body, use specialized cleaners to remove carbon buildup and deposits. However, worn parts like spark plugs should be replaced rather than cleaned. Modern spark plugs typically need replacement every 100,000 miles. After completing any repairs for engine hesitation, conduct a thorough road test to verify the fix. Drive at various speeds and under acceleration to ensure smooth power delivery without hesitation. Next, rescan the vehicle using an OBD2 scanner to check for any new error codes that may have appeared. Clear the codes and perform another test drive to confirm no recurring issues. If the hesitation problem persists despite repairs, it could indicate a more complex issue such as ECU reprogramming. The engine control unit may need firmware updates or reprogramming to resolve underlying faults. In hybrid vehicles, hesitation can stem from battery drain or regenerative braking inefficiencies. Issues within the battery management system can also cause torque delivery lags when switching between the electric motor and the internal combustion engine. Battery drain reduces available power, causing hesitation during acceleration. Regenerative braking inefficiencies disrupt energy recovery and power delivery. Battery management system issues cause torque delivery lags when switching between electric motor and internal combustion engine. Regular maintenance, including tune-ups every 30,000 miles and proactive sensor replacements, can prevent engine hesitation. Future trends involve AI-powered diagnostics and predictive maintenance systems, offering early warnings and more efficient fixes.